All right, now that we have the labels in there, next let's add some icons so that visually, again, students and families can tell what apps they're going to use to do these activities. So I'm going to start out by finding a Google Meet icon. So I'm going to go over to this tab and I'm going to search in Google Images for Google Meet. And I'll just say iOS icon. So I'm looking for the app icon for the iPad. And here we go, Google Meet on the App Store. All right, I'm going to move my browser window over just a little, and I'm going to drag that icon over to my desktop. And while I'm here, I'm also going to find the Seesaw icon. There we go. And again, I'll drag this over just a little, and I'll drag that off to the desktop. I'll find Raz Kids. All right, and I'm going to keep repeating this process until I get all of the app icons that I need. Okay, now I'm going to come back in and I'm going to start bringing in those app icons. So I'm going to come up here to morning meeting. I'm going to go over here to the camera icon. And I'm going to go to upload to bring that image. It is on my desktop. I'll select that and I'll tap open. There it is. I'm going to, again, grab that corner handle and squish it down to be the size that I want. And that looks pretty good. All right, then I'm going to copy that. So the three dots, duplicate, and I'm going to put that wherever I might have a Google Meet. So maybe in Reader's Workshop, if I wanted to do a small group guided reading lesson, I might want it there. I'm going to duplicate that again. For office hours, I will need that. And I will copy it again. And in Writer's Workshop, I may want to do, again, a small group lesson. I'll duplicate that again. And maybe in math, I might want to have a math talk and model lesson with my students through Google Meet. And I may also want to have a small group session there as well if I need to. Next, we're going to bring in Seesaw. So let's go to the camera icon again, upload, and let's find that Seesaw icon, tap on open. Again, let's squish it down to be about the right size that we want. And let's put it up here for Reader's Workshop. There we go. That a little bit bigger. All right. Then let's duplicate that and let's drag it around. So students may be doing a phonics lesson through a Seesaw activity. Let's keep duplicating. For our specialist class, they will have Seesaw activities. Writer's Workshop. Science activity. And a math activity. Okay. And then we have Raz Kids. So again, the camera icon, upload. Let's go to our desktop and find Raz Kids. If you're not sure what these icons are, you can select them. Tap your space bar. That will bring up a preview. You can close that up by tapping the space bar again. Go ahead and tap on open to bring that in. Let's squish that down with the corner handle. And we'll put that here in Reader's Workshop. Now if we want this to look more like these others, so that it's roughly equal in terms of the white space, you could be as fancy as you want or as simple as you want. So if you wanted these to look more matching, you could go to the three dots, bring in a shape. Maybe we'll go with the plain square. We're going to change that to be white. So we'll drag our slider down here to white. Go. And then we'll move this over here, and we'll make this about the same size. Something like that. I'm going to tap back on the Raz Kids logo, and I'm going to go here to the three dots and order and bring to the front so that it's back above that square. And then I can either squish this a little smaller, or I could make that white square a little wider, whichever way you want to do it. All right, let's see, for science, I'm going to go here to the camera, upload, and I'm going to find that Generation Genius icon. And again, I'll squish that down, and then I'll put it here in the background. All right, for math, we're going to bring in the ST Math icon. So let's go back to the camera, upload, go to our desktop, and we'll grab that icon and open that up. And we will squish that down with the corner handles till we get it about the right size that we want it. All right, looking good. Now let's number these tasks or activities so that students know what order we want them to do them in. So again, let's go up to the text tool, and I will start with number 1. I'm going to move that over here, and I'm just going to shrink this in and maybe make that a little smaller, and then I'll put it up here. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate that, and I'm going to move that over here. This will be 2, and I'm going to keep duplicating these numbers until I get them all numbered. You can decide if you want to have the numbers to the left or if you want to put the numbers on top of these, whichever way that you want to do that. All right, so now we have a schedule following the Office of Teaching and Learning's guidelines for activities, for Reader's Workshop, Writer's Workshop, Science, and Math, those different components that we need to include for those subjects.